I want to appreciate every one of you watching my videos and sharing my videos. I really do appreciate every one of you. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the red subscribe button and join the family. Thank you all, guys. Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to AG's Kitchen. And how are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, in today's recipe I'm going to be cooking delicious pumpkin coconut curry soup. If you want to see, let's get started. So guys, I have a pumpkin already peeled, I have carrots, I have a fresh turmeric, I have onion, and I also have habanero. I'm just going to drizzle oil and I will add salt, and I'm going to put it in my oven. Okay, so guys, don't go nowhere, keep watching. Guys, a drizzle of olive oil. Okay, bit of salt, I'm adding salt. Okay, salt. Okay, this time I'm adding garlic. Okay, garlic, ginger, adding vegetable seasoning. You can use any seasonings of your choice, guys. So I will add paprika, I'm going to be adding soy sauce. Okay, soy sauce. I'll be adding a bit of fish sauce. Okay, so and I will thoroughly mix everything together. So guys, don't go nowhere, keep watching. So guys, I added onions for more aroma and fragrance. Okay, we all know that coconut oil is highly fragrant, so I'm just adding the turkey breast into the oil and I'm going to fry it. Okay, we just want it to be brown and juicy. Okay, so guys, please don't go nowhere, keep watching. Guys, guess what? My kitchen smells so aromalicious, guys. Try this recipe and I bet you and your family we enjoy this recipe. So guys, keep watching. So guys, at this time I added onion into my pan. Okay, I'm just going to let it saute a bit, and at this time guys, I'm adding ginger and garlic into the pan. Also, we want it to release its aroma in that oil. Okay, so guys, don't go nowhere. You just want to saute everything together in that pan. Okay, so guys, keep watching. So guys, at this time I'm adding Thai curry paste into the pan. Okay, you just want to stir it thoroughly together with the onions in the pan. So guys, keep watching. So guys, at this time I'm going to be adding the coconut milk into the pan. I'm just going to stir everything together, okay, as you see me do. So guys, at this time I'm adding my blended mixture of pumpkin, carrots, habanero, onion and turmeric into it. Guys, my kitchen smells amazingly delicious, guys. It smells so coconutty and it is aromalicious here, guys. If you haven't tried this recipe, I bet guys, try this recipe, you all will enjoy it. So guys, don't go nowhere, keep watching. Guys, this soup is packed with antioxidants, and we all know the health benefit of turmeric, ginger and garlic is endless, guys. This soup is wellness soup, and guys, this soup glows you in and out. Okay, so guys, at this time I'm adding my vegetable broth into the soup. Okay, you can use any broth of your choice. Okay, and I'm going to give it a perfect stir together for everything to combine in that pan. Okay, so guys, at this time I'm going to be tasting for salt, and I'm going to be adding a bit of salt into it, and I will perfectly stir everything together. And guys, my kitchen smells so good. Okay, from the garlic, ginger, oh my god, it smells so good. And guys, the salt is perfect. I'm just going to leave it to simmer a bit, and guys, dinner is ready to be served, guys. I'm serving my dinner, guys, and guys, this soup tasted so good. You can drink it just the way it is, or you can actually pair it with rice. As you can see, we are pairing it with rice, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, this rice with the soup tasted so good. Guys, this soup is really flavorful, so creamy, so aromalicious, and guys, so delicious, guys. For my vegan friends, you can actually use mushrooms in place of the meat. Okay, so guys, I present to you my delicious and mouth-watering pumpkin coconut curry sauce or soup. Guys, it tasted so good. If you haven't subscribed to AJ's channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please hit the red subscribe button and join the family. To all my amazing returning wonderful subscribers, I really do appreciate you all for your love, for your support. I don't take any one of you for granted. Please share this video out if you find it useful, and guys, please comment down below and give it a super thumbs up. Okay, like this video. See you all in my next video. Bye bye. Hasta luego. Auf Wiedersehen.